Alright, who's getting launched first?
Bobby, I'm trying to fix my pedals.
Aim, fire. You're done. You're gone. Bye. Let's go.
My pedals, I can't get them.
You'll figure it out when you're going. Ready, set, go.
I'm waiting fire.
Come on. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Back, back, back. Stay there, I'll launch you this way. Don't run into my scooter. You ready?
Okay.
Go. Look out.
You're not even on the pedals yet. Man, I'm not even on pedals yet. That's
Pedaling's required. Pedaling is required.
I'm not even on pedals yet. I'm supposed to be on the pedals so I can start.
Alright.
Ready?
Ready? Come on, Sebastian.
I know that someone's up.
Come on, hurry. All the way up here. Make your adjustments up here out of the way.
Okay. Again! He hit my foot again!
Turn around. Let's go. Let's go.
In a minute. Get my feet. Oh.
Ready? Come on back. Come on back.
I wish the brakes and then I bumped into her. I wish the brakes and then I bumped into her. Oh, come. 38 fires!
Come on back. Come on back. Come on back.
We gotta turn around. Barista. Hey, 38 fires!
Come on back.
He ran into my trash can! Stop staring at us. Please.
Go. Ready?
Uh-huh.
See you later.
Man, I'll be done in a minute.
Can't cry. Hop on.
Hey. Nope.
Ready?
Now.
Hop on. Ready? Go run over his ass.